Good morning, everyone. For today, we're going to discuss about chlorophyll and other pigments. So, before going through the major role and different pigments, let's first define what is pigment. Okay. So, pigment is the substance that absorbs visible light. So, different pigments absorb light to different wavelengths. So, we all know that chloroplast is a site of photosynthesis. And photosynthesis occurs in chloroplasts, which are organelles in certain plants. So, remember that all green plants part chloroplast and carry out photosynthesis. So the leaves have the most chloroplasts. The green color comes from chlorophyll in the chloroplasts. So the pigments absorb light energy. So next is, what is the main role of pigments in photosynthesis? Ayan. So, different pigments absorb different wavelengths of light. So, chlorophyll are the major light-absorbing pigments in plants. So, they absorb um, energy from violet blue light and reflect green light, giving plants their green color. And then next is, all right, so on your screen is the 3D model of chloroplast membranes, wherein you can see the outer layer and the inner layer. So we have here the grana or the granum. It is the stacks of thylakoids. So literally, it is just like a stacks of, okay? So we have also the thylakoid, which is the flattened sac, and the pigments of photosynthesis is located in the membranes. Ayan. So, and last is the stroma. So, the stroma is basically the interior portion of the chloroplast. All right. So we have here the role of accessory pigments. So when we say accessory pigments, it helps plants absorb additional light. So plants need to make these accessory pigments to maximize the amount of photosynthesis they can do. So more pigments is equivalent to more glucose or food for the plant. Ayan. So, we have here different types of accessory pigments. So, first, we have the carotenoids. So, carotenoids, it reflects yellow, orange, and red light. And addition to that, carotenoids give carrots and sweet potatoes their orange color and are very common in our area. Ano? So we also have the anthocyanins. So it reflects red, blue, and violet light. And last is we have the xanthophylls. So it reflects yellow light. Ayan. So, accessory pigments are the reason leaves change color in autumn. So, in green leaves, there is so much chlorophyll that it masks the other pigments. So, in autumn, as trees prepare to lose their leaves, the chlorophyll molecules break down. So revealing the colors of other pigments, the color red, yellow, and orange can be seen. So just like the picture on your screen, this one. Alright. Ayan. So, um, plant pigments are important. Why? So it is important in controlling photosynthesis, growth, and development of plants. So pigments act as visual signals to attract insects, birds, and animals for pollination and seed dispersal. So pigments also protect plants from damage caused by ultraviolet rays and visible light. Always remember that. And that would be all for pigments and chlorophyll. And lecture will be posted here on in my Facebook, no, my YouTube account, and I'll keep you updated. And that's all for our lecture for today. Thank you for listening and God